How can I do a cache refresh in Google Chrome?
I don't know what exactly it's called. By cache refresh I mean, refresh the page after clearing its cache. I don't want to clear the entire browser cache.
I can't seem to cache refresh my pages.
In Firefox, I know it to be Shift plus refresh. In Chrome, I've tried Control plus R, Control plus refresh, Alt plus refresh, Shift plus refresh, but none of them work.
Push F12 or Control plus Shift plus J to open Developer Tools on Windows, on Mac, CMD plus Opt plus I. Then you can right-click on the refresh icon and select Empty Cache and Hard Reload. See this URL. The documentation says, for Windows and Linux, Shift plus F5 or Control plus Shift plus R. Screenshot. For Mac, CMD plus SHFT plus R, reload your current page, ignoring cached content. Although some have reported this works, others have said it does not work correctly. Your other options are JavaScript Console. The JavaScript console is available in two modes within Chrome DevTools, the primary console tab, or as a split view you can display while on another tab, such as Elements or Sources. To open the console tab, do one of the following. Use the keyboard shortcut command, Option, J, Mac, or Control-Shift-J, Windows/Linux. Select View is greater than Developer is greater than JavaScript console. F12 doesn't appear to be mentioned here but will open this console on Windows as well. Chrome Developer Tools. Using the JavaScript console. Incognito window. Another interesting option is to open a new incognito window, Control plus Shift plus N on Mac, plus Shift plus N. This window won't use any stored cookies, cached content, or DNS resolutions, so you can test stuff in it without slowing your normal browsing down by dumping the cache. This is what I almost always do instead of clearing the cache. This URL. Disable cache. Open Chrome Developer Tools, F12, Mac, ++I. Click the Settings icon, a gear in the bottom right corner. Check Disable Cache. Now when you browse with your Developer Tools open, caching is disabled. Click and Clean. Finally, there is also the option of the Click and Clean extension.
Another interesting option is to open a new incognito window, Control plus Shift plus N. This window won't use any stored cookies, cached content, or DNS resolutions, so you can test stuff in it without slowing your normal browsing down by dumping the cache. This is what I almost always do instead of clearing the cache.
According to documentation, Control plus F5 or Shift plus F5 should work. Maybe you have a proxy configured on E and Chrome, which is caching your page?
Chrome sucks for this. Sometimes I can get Shift plus F5 to work but not always. My solution for the moment is to use the Click and Clean extension. It's ugly but works every time, so I'd recommend that for now.